Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. This is day 88 of my coding journey. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to be creating a new section in my Tailwind project. But before I start that, I kind of want to fix up those pricing tables that I created a few videos back because they just look a little weird. So just trying to see how I can make them just look a little better. So let's get started. All right. So if you guys haven't seen my previous videos, I think I showed this 2 videos back. I created a image in Photoshop, really simple image to make. I used 2 images from Unsplash. I used some dots from transparent dots from Google, and I made boxes and just put some text and a little arrow going up and a heart. So I use the same colors as my site just so it can blend in a little bit and I don't know, look nice. So the stat section is going on right underneath this section, but I want to fix this up a little bit. So let's just see how we can make it look a little better because I don't know, it just looks weird. So I'm thinking about making the middle one white instead of, making it a whole different color. So let's see. So we got header section. Wait. Sponsors, pricing. Okay. All right. So this is the pricing section. So where is the middle one? All right. So this should be the middle one here. Yep. Imaginative. All right. So we got BG. This color. So let's play around with this a little bit before we just make it white. Let's try not that color. Let's try that color. That's the color we just had. Where is it? Okay, let's try that color. We can't make it that color. I mean, unless we make the BG of this pink, but I think that's a little bit too much. Too much pink going on, right? See, nah, I want to make it blue because then again, I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna make it back to the blue because I don't know, just a little bit too much pink going on. I think that's a perfect transition from these logos into the blue background. So my only thing is I probably just make this white and just, I don't think I gotta put anything. Wait a minute. Control Z, and let's do white. Background white. Yeah, I think I might just keep it white. It looks clean like this too. Actually, it really does. Okay, yeah, I think I might just leave it white. So let's go ahead and do that. And I see that it's like overflowing underneath, and I really don't know how to fix that. So we're about to see. Maybe I think I got an idea. So this is the pricing table. Let's hold in. Do I have a div inside of this that's holding all of them? Okay, so right here. So I'm gonna give this some MB and see, does it fix it? So margin bottom of 4. Yep, that worked. Perfect. All right. And so I want this button to be pink as well. I guess just might as well just make them all the same. So I think it's right here. Nope, that's not it. Right here, BG. I haven't been in this file in a while, so just me trying to find shit. All right, so that's that. Does this pink look a little lighter than? Okay, they're the same. All right, cool. And let's change the text to, I think I'm using just regular black. All right, perfect. I mean, looks good to me. I mean, it looks clean. I think it looks nice. And I think it's for they're responsive as well. Come down. Oh no, I didn't make them responsive. That's what it was. Yep. So they're not responsive yet, but gonna do that off camera. I don't want to make this video that too long, because this video is primarily me trying to create the about us section. So let's get started. But overall, this is how it's gonna look. I don't know. I might add a color to this though, because it does look clean like this, but I just think that middle one just needs just to be different. All right, so let me make sure everything's recording and looking good. I'm gonna move this over here a little bit, and I'm about to get started on this section. All right, cool. All right, so we got our image. So if you guys see my React section, it's kind of going to be similar to that. I'm just going to have an image on the left, and then a box holding the text on the right. So let's get started. So it's going to go right underneath here, and I kind of want to make sure all my code is organized. I need organized code. So now, wait, do I got, hold on. Okay. Just want to make sure. And then I'm going to do in pricing section. And now I'm going to copy that. And this is going to be the about section. All right, cool. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to have a div. Oh, I also found that bug out, guys. If you guys watch my Tailwind video, that's for my React site. But if you guys watch my Tailwind video, I forgot which one. Which one was it? I think I don't know what I was doing, but I was working on a Tailwind site and I had a bug because my prettier wasn't working, but I figured out that bug. So, all right, let's get started. All right, so we're gonna have a div. You always start with a div. Man, I probably should be using section. I think I use section up here. See, I was doing good. I was using semantic. Now I just stopped. Shame on me. All right, div. And let's just start with just another div. And then we're gonna have our image in here. Let's do assets, about image, and then alt. It's gonna be, I don't know, about image. All right, cool. We got our image, yay! All right, and then I'm gonna have another div. And this is gonna be, we're gonna have an H1, and it's gonna be about us. And then for now, I'm just gonna do some lorem, because I mean, I could probably go to ChatGPT and have them write me up an about us for this. So I'll probably do that. But for now, just use some lorem. I think that's good so far. All right, and let's start styling this thing. See how we can do this. All right, so first things first, let's add some padding. I'm gonna do like a P5. And let's keep going down. Let's do, actually, I probably should, I probably make another div in here to hold all of my content. So it's gonna be right there. So we got our outer div. I probably should just let's just name it section, just so we can know. All right, so we got our section, and so this div, I want it to have, there's a some styling that I did up here that I really liked. think it's this. So for medium and up screens, the width to be 89%. By default, the width, and this is on mobile, is going to be 95%. And then the MY is, so I don't want that. I want MX auto, which is auto margin for the left and right. I don't know why the MY is there, but I want to remove that. So let's see how this looks when I do this. So class that, and I'm going to remove the MY. Let's see how that looks. So now it's perfectly centered. All right, but that might change. I don't know. We'll see. That's just me testing out shit. So let's do a flex. Okay, perfect. That worked better than I expected, actually. Yeah, that worked really good. Let's give it a empty of 5. Bring the margin down a little bit. And so this image look great. Do I have to touch this image? Oh, it's just gonna get smaller. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm gonna keep that like that though, actually, for now. Let's work on this box over here. And I want to give this, yeah, let's give it a class. And let's give, we'll make it into a box. Let's do a BG of, get our colors. I also found out how to put CSS like variables into Tailwind. That's not really called that. It's called extending the style sheet, kind of. But I learned that why is this not working? BG. Let's do this pink. Should I do this pink? See how that looks. Whoa, we made it to a whole box. Sheesh. I don't want it that big. So flex. So we got a flex. Let's do item center. And justify center. I don't think that did anything. And I know space between wouldn't do anything either. Alright. So we got us our little box. I like that so far. Maybe give it like a pattern. Give it like a pattern P5. Alright. It's looking good so far. Kind of want to make the height. Can I make the height just a little bit bigger? Let's do a height of let's do a height of 300 pixels. Oh, what am I? Okay. And then I should be able to make this, or actually, I got an idea. I know I'm gonna keep it like that, but let's make it to a flex, and then flex col, and item center, and justify center, and I should move it to the middle, right? Yep, perfect. All right, and see, it's looking weird. I think I do have to, if I add justify center now, it should move the box down. Okay, box is perfectly centered. I want to bring, let's add rounded XL. All right, cool. All right, so this definitely need a gap. Let's add a gap of 4. All right. Trying to think. I probably have the image going over this just a little. Let's just see how that looks. So I'm gonna add a class to the div. Should it be the div? I just do a class and I'm gonna do a margin right of -10. -10 rem. I don't know if that's gonna work. Okay, what? I don't want. I want the image. It made it wider. Let's give it a Z10. I made it like that. Why did it make that wider though? With full? Okay. Okay. We on to something. Okay, this looks great. This looks good. This looks really good. Now it looks like the about us is part of the image. This looks really good. That was by accident. That was literally by accident. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it just like this, but that image gonna need for some styling because look. Oh no, it's okay. I don't want to mess with it right now. Right now it looks great. Okay. This is how big I want this image. And I want this to be just like this. So before I fix this up, let's try to keep this image just like this. So what I want to do is let's take our dev tools. If it works. Oh man, it doesn't show me. Alright, hold on. Alright, let's add a class. To the image. And I just give it let's do a width of 100%. So all we gotta do is just W full. Alright, cool, that didn't change nothing, perfect. And then we're gonna give it a min height of, let's do 500 pixels. Let's see. Okay, that didn't do nothing, perfect. Alright, I think we're good, guys. I can easily make this responsive. Alright, so let's see how it looks. Scroll down. This looks great. This looks really good. So let's fix this up. And I'm hoping I can get the text to where it's like not blocking off. So let's get that. Let me make sure everything's still recording. You don't know how, you guys don't know how many times where I thought I was recording and didn't, and I just ended up scrapping the entire video. All right, so we got a bodice, we got that. Let's do I'll do a text, maybe right or some shit. Oh man, if I can get the text to like down. Actually, hold on. I think I got an idea. I can get the text to right there. Let's give this a class of margin top 8. Margin top 10 line. I don't know why I keep putting. Oh shit. Ooh. It just looks so plain there though. And then when you, yeah, it's not gonna work. I don't think this is gonna work, guys. Fuck. It looks so good though. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Because when you come down, like, it's gonna be hard to make that responsive. Yeah, it's gonna be way too hard. But it's not gonna be hard, it's just like, how would I even make that responsive? You know what I'm saying? Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, man, that would look so nice. It looks so perfect with it. Like, look, it looks so good. I'm trying to think of some, like, how I can make it work. How can I make it work? Alright, let's try something. So I put maybe like a box, maybe split this up and have the text over here, but then this side would just be empty. It just won't look right. I just don't think it will look right. We got a div, we got flex direction. Let me add some empty divs here right quick and just see something. And then I'm going to wrap this in here, around there. Class flex, and then here just add just H1 of high. What is going on? Got a div and that's holding that div and that div. Oh, I did it so backwards. That's why I did it backwards. Let's take that off. And then take this one off. All right. So this is my container there. And I think I got an idea. So as I'm going in, that would be so hard, bro. I don't get how I can make this work. Flex wrap. That definitely won't work. It's gonna. Yes. The hell was I thinking? This looks so good. I want it. All right, so we got our box there. That's holding that. So let's add a div around this. Another div around that. So that's one div. And then a div, empty div there. And then take off flex cow for this. And just add a H1 for now, because I think I gotta have content in it. Okay. And let's give this a class of flex grow. Is that what it's called? Or grow? I think it's just called grow. Grow 2. Grow 1. How do I make it? God, let's see. See what's going on in this freaking box. Well, let me expand my screen a little bit. Wait, what? So where is... Alright, something's up. Something's up. We got a div. Let's take this off. Because why is... Alright, BG, B5, flex. What is going on? Why is this not working? Text right. We got our div. So this is our box, right? I have flex on it. And I have 2 divs inside. Maybe add another H1. Text. Hello. Okay, I see it. Alright. You know what? I think I know what to do to make it even more easier. Let's make this into a grid. Let's do a grid cows 3. And maybe grid cows 2. Grid. Trying to see what I did up here. I know how to use grid, but I don't know how to use grid on Tailwind. I forgot. And I used it. Where did I use it? Grid cows 3. So this is the header section. And column span 2. Okay. All right. So let's see. Let's go to the Tailwind docs. Make sure everything's still recording. Grid. Just type in grid. Okay. Grid columns. So grid columns. So this is grid template columns, and this will be. Oh, I think I have to put grid first. for us. Okay. And then I want it to be 2 because 3 is way. Repeat 2, 1 FR. Okay, so that's what I want. So 2 columns and full hidden. Okay. Oh, that's why my margin top. That's why I was doing that. All right, so that's one column. This is another column. Perfect. But why is all right, so this is what I was thinking of, and what I might do is, let's see something. Let's do a class, and then we're gonna do, what was it? Where is it? Let's try call span 2, but I think this is gonna go back to the default. Actually, it didn't. All right, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make this work. I mean, so right there. I'm gonna do a max height. Max height. So that won't get bigger. Actually, still getting bigger. Min height. Why is it still getting bigger? Max. Oh, it's because it's max. Oh, God, I'm so stupid. Max width. That's min width, max width. All right, so now it won't get bigger. Okay. And probably can just do, let's do 500 pixels. See how that looks. 800 pixels. All right, I'm just testing shit out right now, guys. I don't. Only thing I could think of, the only way I can really make this work is if I actually, you know what? We about to make this work right now. I think I know what to do. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. All right. So what I want to do is take this off and put it back to what it was. Go back. I forgot what it was. Max height. All right. Cool. Just keep it like that. Shouldn't be getting bigger though, so we could just do like, we could just keep it there. for now. Okay, so let's bring it down some, like about right there, I guess. And we're gonna try to put it on top of this, because what's really bothering me, it's working, but whenever you do this, the text. So I'd rather for it to be on top of this instead of behind it. So let's see. So something like that, but maybe bring the rim over just a little bit. Maybe like 7 rim. See, okay, hold on. Give this back the Z index right quick. The Z10. Okay. Alright, we might be onto something now, guys. Hold on. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Wait a minute. Change that back to 300. Okay, perfect. You know what? I'm keeping it like this, and I'm gonna figure out how to make it responsive. Let's get it. Alright, so let's focus on mobile, and then we'll see what we can do. Let me pull my chair up. He's so about to lock in. My chair make a lot of noise. It's broken. All right, so make sure you guys can still see me. Good. All right, cool. Wait. Okay. All right, so. All right, so a div here. That's min. So let's do MD flex. So we're gonna do, let's do a flex call. So flex call. All right, so it's gonna be like that, and with full. So the Z should be. So this margin right should only go on MD. So that's gonna bring that back down, perfect. And then kind of like what I actually, this looks nice just like this actually. So let's see how it looks when we come up. We gotta do an MD flex row. So now when we come up, come out, all right. Trying to see. I don't like how that image just getting big. Like, look at that. I mean, it looks okay, I guess. And come out, and then there, it looks okay-ish. This doesn't look bad. This really don't look bad at all. I wonder if I change this to, so we got an MD4, so this is the image. Min height 500 pixels. Max height? Now it shouldn't. Oh, it still gets big. Let's do a max height of 400 pixels. That's on an image, right? Oh, this shit is wrong. We gotta put it in. brackets for it to work. Dummy. Alright, max height 400 pixels. Let's do 700 pixels. Alright, so it looks good there. Let's do 900 pixels. Bring this over so it can look like a all right. I think we nailed it, guys. I think this is perfect. Like, yeah, the text is a little bit covered there, but other than that, I think it looks great. It's not really covered. You know what's really bugging me is because I keep using that too. I'm using this diagonal tool doing like that. Like, that's just making it worse. Alright, so you got this section, scroll down, you got this. This looks good. And then as you come, get smaller, you get smaller. I probably should just change this to large. Let's try that. So instead of MD, let's do large. See if we do that then. Alright, so you scroll down, scroll down. Alright. That's the max height, that's why it's so big. MD. Let's change, so I just want it just to be, so on LG. Maybe change this to XL. No. Large MD. No. Oh man, 800 pixels. All right. Let's see how this looks. So we got our mobile. Bam, bam. Come out. See how big it is, and you get to scroll. I don't like that. Hold on. I suck at styling images, man. Oh my god. I should just do width full. Let's just see how that looks. If I do that, yeah. Alright, let's see how this looks. Just try some shit. I like this massage here now for some reason. Alright, so we just gotta fix this shit. That's large, I believe. I still want with full. I think full should be. I think that's a smart thing to do. And we don't need MX Auto. Alright, so let's try to figure out what we about to do with that. Hold on, wait a minute. I think the image look a little bit bigger, right? Do 89% again. Alright, so it did make it a little bit smaller. And then I want the MX Auto. Yeah, that looks perfect. This is perfect. But just here, it's not perfect. So I'm gonna change this to Excel. Wait, what happened? Hold on. I think I got it wrong anyway. Let's type in responsive design. Okay, Excel LG. Okay. Alright, let's go back. So it's just there. It's just there. We gotta figure that out. So large, I'm coming for you. Alright, LG. Let's give it a height of, ah, man, I don't know what to do. Let's give it a width of 50%. I don't know why I'm trying that, but yeah, it's not really doing anything. I think I gotta do a height. Let's do a height of let's do 400 pixels. Do 300 pixels? Is it even working? 100 pixels? Wait a minute. Is LG? Wait 1 second. LG's there. So what the fuck? Hold on. MT. Alright, hold on. Okay, Tailwind generates corresponding max modifier for each breakpoint. So out of the box, the following modded. Okay. So max. Let's try that. Max.md. Alright, so my image is there. Okay. Alright, we're on to something. Let's do max LG. It's testing shit out. Okay, so at LG is start. That's when it starts. So MD. Why the fuck is this shit so big? Oh, think I got it. You know what? I know exactly what I'm about to do. I'm about to just 500 pixels and 500 pixels. Let's do 400 pixels. That looks good there. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, this is how I want it. That's perfect. Then you come down, and then there you go. Yes. But we probably can now. Let's do MD for this. And I'm gonna do a max MD, maybe MD to that. Okay. And I want this MD. All right. And then I want, so that's the max, so max MD. So from small and up, I believe, right? Hold on, let's test this out right quick. Just want to make sure. Okay, so now from small and up, okay. So from small and up, it's 500 pixels. And the max height, so I'm gonna do max. Wait, already got it for that. It 2 already. So max MD 400. Let's do 450. See how that looks. Just looks stretched out, don't it? Oh my god. Maybe do with, oh man, full. Okay. Whew, we got it. Okay. Now I want it to go back. Dude, how long have I been recording? Oh man, already an hour? Alright. I gotta fix this camera. Hold on. Let me fix this camera, guys. So I'm like off the screen. Alright, perfect. Yeah. Alright. A little bit more. Alright. Alright, so. Alright, so mobile, it looks great. Medium. Or LG. Alright, mobile, it looks great. Come out, bam. So right here and up. Oh, okay. We got it. This is perfect. So whenever it gets there, whenever it hits there, it splits. And then it comes down, and we got that. This is perfect. Because that's little split there is is what would be like touching my text. Then we go hit there. This is perfect. Yeah, I like this a lot. Scroll down. All right, yeah, this is perfect, guys. I do want to try one thing first. I want to try. Let's do a LG. So this is LG and up. I want to do a width of 89%. Where's my percent? Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. We got it. It's just this image. Why do it look like that? Should I put a height? Maybe that's why. Let me take this out. Let me Z that. The image just looks stretched right there, don't it? Yeah, we don't need that max height. Oh my God, this looks great, guys. All right, so that's that. Yeah, let's get it. Let's add our, let's style our stuff now. All right, so I'm gonna do a class of text white and text of 4XL. Want it to be big. Yeah. And then this lorem can stay lorem for now. Do a class of white. Oh, class of white. Wow. Class of text white. And that should just be it for the styling for that. Probably gotta add some text shadow. Let's add, I think it's drop shadow for text. Yeah. And then drop shadow. And so we got our div. Why is this? Oh, we still got this fake div over here. I think I might keep it like that. I don't want to mess anything up. Let's do a class. Let's do a flex. And flex call. And then I want to give it a gap of 9. Wait, what? What happened? Oh. Gap 9. I don't think we can go past 5 in here. Okay, gap's not working, so the only thing I can think of is just give this MB5, MB8, MB6. Let's do MB5, I guess. I need some more. I'm gonna do 5 room. All right, cool. And bring it down just a little bit more. And I'm gonna add some more alarm. Right quick, because just gonna, what's the names? Like, alarm. Yep, perfect. All right, so let's see how this looks. Yes. Wait. Wait a minute. Sorry about that, guys. My computer died. I almost shit my pants. I thought I lost the first half of this video, but I moved like Flash, man. I plugged the charger in before it like actually fully died, because if it fully died, like to where I had to start everything, reopen everything, I would have lost this for the first half of this. So I'm so glad that that didn't happen, because I would have been so pissed. All right, so back at it, literally right where we left off. Make sure everything's recording. Make sure it's plugged in, the charger, and let's get it. So, yeah, before my computer died, I noticed that this part here, see that? It gets a little small and then can't really see it. But overall, I mean, this is what I'm aiming for. So I'm going to keep everything like this, but I'm going to just fix up this section to make it normal. All right, so let's see what we can do to do this. So there, looks good. I like that, like that. So it looks like about, I want to say maybe just large. Or wait, what is this? So when does the negative rim, so the negative rim start large, so this is large and up, so this would be medium. So I think medium we should just do. So where are we at? So we got this div, and trying to think. Let's see what happens if I remove this. Let me just go comment it out. So nothing happens there. Oh, nothing really happens. I mean, it's empty. So let me see what happens if I put it though. Thought I was doing a little something with that little div. It ain't doing shit. Take that off. Thought I was doing a little something with that. So we gotta flex. We got our text right. I got a grid actually, like a dummy. And then a grid span 2. Why, like, I can just do flex. Change this from grid. And let's remove this and see what happens. Am I? Oh, I had to refresh. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my god, I think I just broke everything, guys. I didn't refresh because my computer died, so that little div was probably doing something. Oh man, that sucks. I think it was actually doing something too, guys. Oh man. Oh man. Let's go back. I'm just gonna go all the way back. We're going back. Go back to grid. Yes, this is what I want. I think that little div was actually doing something. Alright, the only thing I can think of is, so when we hit, I think I know what to do actually. Let's bring the text up a little bit. So let's do a MB of 5. Maybe, did that do anything? 4 margin. Sorry, there's shoveling snow outside. Margin bottom. I think because I have a. Oh, it's because this is got a margin too. Alright. And I'm gonna do 3.5 rem. Alright, let's see how that looks. So we come out and we go in, go in, go in. Perfect. Trying to catch it at the perfect time. Okay. So MD is when I need to. Alright, so let's try this out. So tried that new class syntax that I found out. So I'm gonna do maybe for the entire box. Actually, yep. The entire box. I'm gonna do a, let's do a max MD, and then let's do a P. I just want to see if that works, but add in. So what the fuck is this? Dude, I'm like beyond confused right now. Like so confused, bro. Is that LG? It can't be. Hold on. Let me move my chair up. Alright. So it looks good there, but then when we hit there, that's when it looks weird. LG. Okay, so that is LG, but then okay, so that's LG. Okay. So that's LG there. So what I can do is this. Let's see if this works. Let's take that off. Alright, put it back to how we had it. So what I probably can do is just make the entire thing bigger. So see the height is at 300 pixels. So I'll do a max LG of, let's do 500 pixels. Did I do that right? Oh, wait. Oh no, I did it wrong. Sorry. It's max OG, and then we'll do a height of 500 pixels. So let's see if that. So yep, when we go there. All right, so that works. So I want it to be, let's do like 400. I think that's what I had, right? Yep, perfect. And then maybe, I think, so max LG that, and for there it's still gonna be big, so we can do a Let's do a max LG. Then I'm gonna do a P of 3 rem. Wait, did I do it right? Oh, I did it wrong. You gotta like connect it like that, I think. 2 rem? 1 rem? Wait, max LG P. Remove that in general. All right, so we got it the way we want it, like this, but sorry about the text no wrap tailwind white space. Okay, white space no wrap. I'm gonna try this out. So I wanted to stop wrapping at large. How do I put that on? Maybe just the P tag. So let's do a max LG and then add that and see what happens. Whoa. No, I don't want that. Fuck. What is pre-wrap? Let's see what that is about. That sounds like something that I would use. It's just pre-wrap. Oh, nah. All right. All right. So only thing I could think of is because when it hits this is fine. So what I want to do is I probably display none. Now, let me see what happens if I get rid of this. So nothing happens when I get rid of that. I don't think that was doing absolutely anything. Yeah, I really don't think that was doing anything. But I just want to make sure. I think it was it? Don't it look different now? Come in. So right there, it looks good, looks great, looks good. And then there, it's just, can I add a custom media query? Let me see. You can completely customize your breakpoints in your Tailwind config file. Oh, okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. I got it, guys. All right, let's bring that back up to like normal. All right, so this is about normal screen size here. I got a wide monitor, so I'm not about to stretch it all the way over. But let me make sure everything's recording. All right, so this is about normal desktop size. All right, so you scroll down, looks great. Okay, so Still looks good. Text can be covered just a little bit. That's fine. There, it breaks off. Okay, so I want it. So when it gets there, so I do want to give it a little bit of padding first, or maybe. Hold on. All right, so yeah, we're gonna have to play with this a little bit. So I can add my own media queries to it. So let's bring this up some. I'm gonna move this to the bottom, and let's go ahead and play with this. All right, so it looks good right there, and then there. So right here, so that's gonna be 881, or maybe, so max, so 883. Let me go ahead and type that in here just so I can remember. 883, and then let me remove that. This is gonna mess up what I'm trying to do. All right, so 883. Wait, what? Okay, yeah, 883. All right, and then so maybe just hold on. $767. So yeah, I think I know what to do. Let's just do, so on the section, let's see what they did. So they did a min, so a min, but a max. It's 8. Okay, so max 883. I'm gonna do here. Let's add a max, and then I'm gonna do 883 pixels. And now let's see how that looks. Okay, so it looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good there. Okay, it didn't work. Wait, hold on. Oh, wait. Maybe min? Let's try min. Okay, no, so that didn't work. Max. It was working for, I see it's working, but at 883, it's not going to flex call. Why is that? Let's bring it up some, so, but I'm still gonna remember that number. Let's do 950. And this is the div, right? The whole thing. Oh my god. I think because I got flex row here. I think. Okay. think I got it, but not that big. It was, let's do 883. Okay, so I want it like that. All right, I think I got it, guys. It's just the image just looks so big on 883, so I might. So the image look okay there. It's just right there. This looks big, and then text. Let's do 884, 885, just to be safe. All right. Right there's big. So this is more like tablet, which is okay. All right. I think this looks okay. Definitely going to try to fix it up a little bit more off camera. This video has been way too long, guys. Oh my god, like what's this, like an hour and 20 minutes? All right, so that's it for day 88. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna probably work on this maybe either tomorrow or the next day. I got some plans for my React site that I want to do, so this is more like a side project. Whenever I have some free time, work on it. But I'm definitely gonna get this fixed. It's a bunch of stuff that I got to do to it because I don't know. It's just not working the way I want it to work. And I mean, it looks okay there. Then you come down. This image just has to. It's just a little too big right there. I want it to be at least that. And I'm not seeing. I think I know why it's like that, guys. Hold on. Before I go, I just want to try it. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at, image? Right here. So max MD height. So instead of that, I'm gonna add the 885 pixels because that's when it breaks. And then now it should be good. Yep, perfect. But I still have to do this box there. That's a little too big for that. And come out. So we got the image straight. Okay, so the image is straight. No more touching the image. Now I just gotta focus on that box. But this video is gonna I keep going back to it. That's funny. I'm definitely gonna play around with it a little bit later tonight. But yeah, that's it, guys. That is day 88. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.